Hi everybody, welcome to this week's Make It Monday. For this week's project, we are going to make Shamrock pots of gold. And this is a really fun project, and we are going to we're doing this to celebrate St. Patrick's Day this week. So, what do we need? Let's get started. So the very first thing you need is a really small clay pot. These are inexpensive ones that we got from the dollar store. 2 per pack, real simple. Just need to be something like this size. You need some black paint. You need a paintbrush, maybe some gold ribbon, and some fun Shamrock stickers. In addition, I have some yellow tissue paper, and I have these rolled gold candies, and I picked them because it's a pot of gold. Any other kind of candy that maybe is wrapped in gold would work too, but I chose these. And perhaps a scissors if you want to cut down your tissue paper. So, what do we need to do first? Let's take this black paint, and I'm just gonna squeeze some out. I'm just squeezing it out just on, a paper plate or something. I just use this piece of cardboard I'm recycling. You take your paintbrush, dip it in. Now be careful. As you can see, I'm wearing white, so maybe you want to wear a paint shirt, or maybe not your nicest clothes if you're gonna wanna just be careful. So you're gonna take the paint, and look at how nicely it goes right onto the pot. It just covers it so well. Just like this. And then you just keep going all the way around until it is all covered. And of course I say that, and this is not covering as nicely. Oh, there we go. You need kind of a lot of paint when you're doing this. For the first, as you can see, when the paint kind of gets dry on your paintbrush, it doesn't cover as well. All right. Keep going all the way around, just like this, and you're gonna wanna keep doing it until it looks like this. Now, one of the things that we learned when we did this earlier is that it dries really fast. This all dried completely in about 15 minutes, so there's not a lot of wait time. And then when you're done, you can use ribbon. I made this just a little knot right here, and then I put a Shamrock sticker on it. I used some yellow tissue paper, kind of fit it in, and then I filled it with these rolled golds. So, this week, stop in at the main branch. You can also stop in at Southeast, and we have everything you need for these bags, so you can make one of these at home. You'll have paint, paintbrushes, yellow tissue paper, ribbon, stickers, and most importantly, the candy. So, we would love to see you stop in and get one. Next week, we will have another fun project for you. So until then, I hope everybody has a great week, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.